Have you ever wondered what it feels like to witness a love story unfold in a way that has been passed down through generations? Today, we're taking you on a journey to the heart of Igboland in Nigeria to experience one of the most beautiful and vibrant ceremonies you'll ever see, the Igba Nkwu, the traditional Igbo marriage. This isn't just a wedding. It's a profound cultural event, a union of two families, and a day filled with color, music, and deep-rooted traditions. It all begins with the bride's homecoming. After days, maybe even weeks of preparation, she returns to her father's house. This is a special time. She's pampered, celebrated, and adorned by her mother and the women of her family. Her skin glows, her hair is intricately styled, and she is dressed in stunning traditional attire, often featuring vibrant George wrappers and delicate beads. This isn't just about looking beautiful. It's about honoring her family and her heritage. She prepares to start a new chapter. The air is thick with anticipation and the sweet melodies of women singing her praises. Meanwhile, the groom is on his own journey. He isn't coming empty-handed. Accompanied by his family, friends, and kinsmen, he arrives bearing gifts. These aren't just random presents. They are symbolic items listed by the bride's family, representing his commitment and his ability to care for their daughter. You'll see things like yams, kola nuts, palm wine, and more. His arrival is a grand procession, filled with dancing and joyous music. It's a powerful statement that says, "I am here, and I am worthy." Once everyone is settled, the ceremony truly begins. The elders from both families take center stage. Their voices carry the weight of wisdom and tradition. They speak, sharing proverbs and blessings, officially welcoming the groom and his family. The kola nut, a sacred symbol of peace and hospitality in Igbo culture, is broken and shared. Prayers are offered to the ancestors and to God, asking for blessings, prosperity, and children for the new couple. This moment is solemn, respectful, and absolutely essential. It's the formal joining of the two families. And now, for the main event, the part everyone has been waiting for. The bride's father fills a special cup, often a beautifully carved wooden cup called an iko, with palm wine. He calls his daughter and gives her the cup with a simple, yet profound instruction: find the man you wish to marry and give him this wine. This is her moment of choice. With the cup in her hand, she gracefully moves through the crowd. Her friends dance around her, singing and cheering her on. She might playfully pass by other eager young men, building the suspense. The crowd watches, captivated. Where will she go? Who will she choose? She scans the faces, her eyes searching for her beloved. This search isn't just a formality. It's a public declaration of her choice, a confirmation that this union is her own desire. Then, she finds him. Their eyes lock. A smile breaks across her face. She kneels before him and offers him the cup of palm wine. By accepting and drinking the wine, he signifies his acceptance of her as his wife in front of everyone. The crowd erupts in a massive cheer. This is the peak of the Igba Nkwu. It's the ultimate confirmation of their love and commitment. He has been chosen, and he has accepted. As the couple makes their way to the bride's father for his final blessing, you might catch a glimpse of the bride's mother. Often, she sheds a quiet tear. It's a tear of joy, of pride, and a little bit of sadness as she lets her daughter go. It's a beautiful, poignant moment that speaks volumes about a mother's love. With the blessings given, the celebration explodes. The couple is now officially married. They dance, showered with money and well wishes from guests. The feast begins with an incredible spread of traditional Igbo delicacies. The music gets louder, the dancing more energetic. It's a true festival of joy, a community coming together to celebrate love and the continuation of life. The Igba Nkwu is more than a ceremony. It's a story, an experience, a vibrant testament to the enduring beauty of Igbo culture. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you loved experiencing the Igba Nkwu, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural stories from around the world. See you in the next one.